Hey guys, I am Yoshimata. I am engineering manager. My mission is building the best global engineering team. So please follow me on the Twitter or LinkedIn. Appreciate if you can visit my Medium blog if you have any interest. So today, I am kind of taking a good weekend. Taking a walk around the Oshiage area where the Tokyo Skytree there. Actually, right behind me there is Tokyo Skytree like this. It's awesome. So it's quite nice kind of weekend to take a walk around these areas and reading some books. So it was nice. Anyway, so I would like to kind of jumping into the today's kind of topic. So today I would like to talk about how we can build the few elite team. So have you ever kind of have a dream like building the few elite team? Maybe as you hear the word of the few elite team, maybe you can kind of imagine something like maybe the comic hero or kind of movie heroes. So it's quite awesome if you can build a team like that. But how you can build that? We can actually kind of learn from these kind of stories. From the one of the successful kind of private jet development project from the Honda. So as you know, Honda is one of the kind of most popular Japanese automobile company, but it also the successful private jet company as well. So Honda kind of started basic research for the private jet for many kind of years back. But actually, they just start the kind of actual private jet product development very recently after the 2000. One of the kind of guy who is responsible for this kind of project, who is the Fujino, actually took the interesting approach to building the project team. Actually, he employed only 1/3 or even 1/4 number of the team members compared to the typical private jet development project. One of the beliefs he took that approach was actually he can build the elite team because of few. So he built the few elite. He kind of implement a few team on purpose because of that they can kind of be elite because of the lesser numbers of the project members. So what you can imagine is like if you have plenty numbers of the kind of project members in the team. So maybe the specialists can focus on the one area. So for example, like jet engine engineers can focus on the engine only, and maybe some kind of software engineer can focus on the softwares and so on. In contrast, if we have a lack of the kind of numbers in the project team, the project members has to be the generalist at the same time, other than just the specialist. The Fujino implemented this team structure on purpose just because of forcing the team member to be the generalist as well, so that the team can speed up the trial and errors and removing the kind of effort for the coordinations across multiple specialized teams. So as a result, the Honda successfully launched one of the most kind of successful private jet in the US market, and that was quite that became the quite popular product actually. The Honda jet had a very cost efficient spec, as well as it is very comfortable because of the kind of internal size is kind of wide enough for the passengers. So I think that is because of this kind of his approach to kind of building the fuel elite team. So when you kind of imagine like you want to kind of building some elite team, I think you would start with the kind of try to hire some kind of individuals, like you looking for some kind of elite first before building a team. But it's quite interesting kind of perspective to build a few team to foster elite talent. That's gonna be the quite interesting approach from him. I think that we can learn from his approach to kind of building the kind of successful software development kind of team. So that's all for the today's talk. Appreciate if you so that, I hope that this idea gonna be helping your kind of daily job. And thank you for watching, and thank you for listening. See you soon. Bye.